If you die without a will, the state decides who gets everything. Not you, not your partner, not your children. The court. No one likes thinking about the end of life. That's why so many people put off making a will. But if later never comes, the law already has a plan waiting for you, and it may not be the one you choose. That plan has a name, and it comes with consequences. Dying without a will is called intestacy, and under intestacy, your state decides who inherits your assets. If you're married, your spouse might get everything, or share it with your children. If you're single, maybe your parents or siblings inherit, and in some cases, it may be relatives you've never met. But the people closest to you, a long-term partner, stepchildren, friends, they may not get a dime unless you put it in writing in a way that's valid under your state's laws. And for parents, the issue isn't just about money. It's about who raises your children if you're gone. Without a will naming a guardian, the court decides who raises your children. You might assume your sister, brother, or best friend would step in, but assumptions don't count. The judge doesn't know your family the way you do, and without clear written instructions, the court follows the law, not your wishes. And here's the catch. Even with a will, your family may still face complications. That's because wills go through probate, the court process that makes them legally enforceable. Probate can take months, sometimes years. It's public, it's slow, and it's expensive. And if there's no will at all, probate becomes even harder. So what does this look like in real life? Let's say you pass away unexpectedly. No will, no trust. Your kids are left in limbo. Nobody has access to your bank or investment accounts. Your family wants to help, but the court says they can't. They wait months for answers and argue over who's in charge. They spend thousands on attorneys, all because no plan was in place. It's situations like this, the delays, the cost, the uncertainty, that lead many families to look beyond a simple will. One option is a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust is another tool some families use to avoid probate altogether. We won't go deep here, but if you want to know exactly how a trust works and whether it's right for you, check out our video, Why You May Need a Revocable Living Trust. I've linked it in the description. Just like with wills, you don't need a lawyer to set up a trust. Online platforms can guide you step by step, making wills and trusts affordable and legally valid. You don't need a lawyer, you just need to start. And with Trust Will and Nolo, it's simple.